Abracadabra, gilly gilly, hush. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, hush. Yes, now I am going to do the magic in your mind. There will be no stress, no fear. Why fear, guys? I am here. You know that there is no fear when Priyanka ma'am is here. So that's why please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification. Before the exam, you are feeling so much stress. Why the stress is there? Because you are trying to learn so many things. And after learning so many things, you are not able to remember that. You are not able to recall the facts also. Even also, whenever you are trying to learn more, then you are feeling more sleepy. It's happening, right? Yes, it was happening for me also. When I was trying to learn more, then I was trying feeling sleepy because there is a power of our brain. If you are giving more and more stress, then it will be tired because it is also a machine here. How much it can take, right? So that's why what you have to do without any fear, without any stress, how you can attempt the exam. That's why this video is for you. So one by one I am trying to clear your point. First of all, fear. The fear is there. Why the fear is there? Because you are thinking about that if I am going to attempt the exam, there is the chance if I cannot crack the exam, then what will be happening? And if I cannot crack the exam, then my family member, my friends will laugh at me. They will tell that what you are doing. Because of that you are feeling, right? That fear is there. Stress. Why there is stress? Because you are trying to remember everything. Maybe throughout the year there is some problem. There was some problem. That's why you are not able to learn properly. And now you are trying to gather everything in your mind, putting everything in your mind. And it is just like a hodgepodge. You are not able to recall it. That's why what you have to do. You have to learn everything whenever you are learning everything with mind mapping. Do the mind mapping. Then only you can remember everything. How to do the mind mapping? See that. Don't go for very difficult topic. In your syllabus, there are some easy topic and there are some difficult topic. There are some topic what are very much favorite to you, and there are some topic which are very much you are uncomfortable on that area. So that's why it is not the time to go for the uncomfortable area. Don't go for uncomfortable area and try to focus on the easy area more, where you are getting more confident. If you are learning more easy area, then you will be able to recall it. Now the time is less. Within this small time, how I can do it? So nowadays the videos are there, right? Online videos, so many videos are available. So how you can do it? Throughout the day, whenever you are doing anything, just play the video. Take a microphone. If it is not possible to play it in your home or in your office, then take a microphone and play the video. Listen to that video multiple time. When you are learning it multiple time, when you are listening to a single chapter, single concept multiple time, then automatically it will retain on your brain, because it is a fact. Just think like that advertisement. How they are giving advertisement? When in advertisement you are listening 3 days, 4 days, every day the advertisement is coming, then automatically if you are trying, if you are not giving total attention also, still it is returning in our home, in our mind, right? Easily you can remember the lines, easily you can remember that tunes and everything. How? Because our ear, there is a connection of your ear and brain, very faster connection is there. right? So that's why whatever you are learning, whatever you are listening through your ear, that is more effective multiple time, not only single time. It is a big mistake students are doing. They are thinking that yes, if I listen it one time then I will remember that. No, listen it multiple time, and after listening the multiple time, write down the points what you have to remember. Quick revision points, some small point try to write down. And after that what you have to do, now throughout the day you have done, you choose some specific topic. Don't go for the jumping. It is very important that we are doing that, we are listening to a video, we are listening to some topic, and then another suggestion is coming, you are jumping to another topic. Don't do that. First complete one topic, then only go for another topic. That is very important. And so that's why when you will listen in that way, then you will be able to remember everything. The fear is coming, the stress is coming, because you are learning everything, you are trying to learn everything, still you are not able to do, still you are not able to remember. So in that way, if you are learning, then you will never forget. Now the fear, why the fear is coming? Because you know that there is some topic I don't know, and maybe question are coming from that topic, then I will be not able to do. So accept it. Just tell yourself, yes, there are some topic which I don't know. So no, just leave it from your mind. Yes, these are the topic I am leaving. I am ready for that. Ki for this topic there will be, I will not get any question. I will be not able to solve any question from this topic. But what are the topic I have already learned and I am learning that topic, from there also question will come. Don't think that ki whatever you are learning, the question will not come from there, and whatever you are not learning, all the question will come from there. Not possible, right? Because there are the units, there are the chapter, there are some important chapter from where always question are coming, and out of 10 important chapter, 10 important unit, if you are doing 5 6 whatever, definitely question will come. So try to be happy with that. Yes, whatever I am doing, be confident, be happy. Whatever I am doing, question will come from there. And definitely when you are attempting mock test, don't exam fear can be, you can overcome from this exam fear only when you will attempt the mock test regularly. Regularly attempting mock test is very very important. Whatever you are doing throughout the day, but must attempt the mock test. Because maybe you are feeling, no, today my revision is not done, next day I will do, next day I will do, next day I will do. That next day will never come. Every day you have to attempt the mock test, and the full length mock test only. Don't do ki unit wise, any topic wise, because this is not the time to do the unit wise or topic wise. This is the time to do the full length mock test only. Whenever you will attempt the full length mock test within 2 hours, if your exam is 2 hours or 1 hour, complete syllabus every day, ultimately you are revised, you are going to do the revision. And whenever you will attempt the mock test, there will be the 3 benefit. First of all, time management will be the done, and next one, exam fear day by day it will go, because ultimately you are attempting every day. Think like that, yes, I am attempting the mock test, so that's why there is no exam fear. No exam fear will be there. And after that, try to improve your score every day at least 2 marks. Your target will be every day I am trying to increase it for the 2 marks, right? So if you are able to do it, then try to be happy with that, and try to tell yourself, yes, you have done a good job. Previously your question, your marks was this, now today you got this extra marks. Till now in your hand some times are there, utilize that time, right? See that when a running code run learner means some 100-meter 200-meter racing is going on. In that race, first time they are running slowly. In the last time how much you are running, that is depending your score. he or she will be the first, because at the last time how much you are giving your total effort, that total effort will be your score only. That's why whatever effort you have, try to put your all the effort in the exam, in the learning. If you are getting scared, if you are getting stressed, this ultimately whatever you are learning you will forget. So what is the meaning of that? There will be no stress. Don't take any stress. If there is the chance of failure, okay, if there is the chance of failure, then try to accept it also. No problem. Okay, if I will if by chance there is the failure, then no problem, take it sportingly, because in everyone's life there is the failure. At least tell yourself, yes, I am trying. There are so many people, there are so many person in front of you who are not doing at all anything. They are not doing anything, they are not trying also anything. At least you are trying to crack the exam, at least you are learning, at least you are doing something. That's why maybe failure can be there. So whenever the failure is coming to your mind, just tell yourself, no problem. Maybe failure can come, but still I will give my 100%. I will give my 100% with peaceful mind. Because what fear will giving you? Fear means you will be not able to properly manage your time. You will be not able to learn anything with time, and ultimately in the exam, if there was the chance that you will get the 60% score, then in the exam, with the fear, with the stress, you will get only 20% marks. That is not good, right? So that's why just tell yourself, whatever I have learned, whatever I have done till now, that is fine, and I will try to learn more in this remaining days. I will try to cover my syllabus whatever possible for me, and I will attempt the exam with total free mind. Because whenever you are attending the exam in free mind, in stressless mind, then only you can give your 100%. Otherwise, you cannot give your 100%. So, which things are giving all the negativity in your mind, just leave that. Leave that from your mind. Stress, too much syllabus, do it 50%. Then there will be no stress. Feeling sleepy, what you can do for the sleepy? If you are feeling sleepy, then take a good sleep. First of all, it is required. If you are feeling too much sleepy, then take a good sleep. Throughout means 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, whatever required. First of all, take the good sleep. After that, regularly try to take more water. Try to do some breathing exercise. Taking water and breathing exercise is giving you more oxygen. With that oxygen, our mind is working nice. And try to take some small break, because maximum 30 minute 40 minute you can learn. After that, there will be a lagging. It is coming, lagging is coming to our mind. So that's why whenever some lagging you are feeling, then go outside. Take it for a break, small break, 10 minutes or 12 minutes, 15 minutes, then again come and sit. So in that way, if you are learning, then you will be not feeling sleepy. And definitely good amount of sleep is required. After that, from the next day, take 6 hours, 7 hours sleep. That will be enough for that, right? So I think now there will be no stress and there will be no problem. So be happy and do the magic in your hand. You are the magician. You are the magician of your life, and you can change your life with your magic. So do the magic. Abracadabra. Gilly gilly. Hush.